A new dinosaur museum was opening on Sodor. Lots of the trains had important jobs to help out. Gordon had to deliver 4 dinosaur skeletons. Thomas had to deliver a dinosaur skull. James had to deliver some supplies for the museum. And Henry had to deliver some steel for the building. Look at all of us! We're all strong engines with heavy cargo, boomed Gordon. Well, apart from Thomas, he's only got 1 truck. All of the other engines laughed. Thomas was embarrassed. I'm just as strong as all of you, he replied. No, you're not, Thomas. I am strong. You're not, Thomas. I am just as strong as you. The other engines laughed again and left. Thomas was still embarrassed. Now all of the engines thought he was small and weak. Anyway, you're not that strong, Gordon. You can't pull much more than that. That's your limit. This is not my limit. Well, let's see. How about you pull my truck too? No problem. Go ahead, Thomas. So Thomas attached his truck onto the end of Gordon's. Now he was carrying his 4 skeletons and Thomas's skull. This is still very easy. Thomas was annoyed. But then he came up with an idea. How about we add more trucks to you, Gordon? I bet you're not that strong. Wait there. And Thomas hurried away. James was on his way to the new dinosaur museum to deliver his supplies and had to wait at a signal. Thomas caught up. Hi James, Sir Topham Hatt has asked me to take your trucks because I'm stronger than you think. Oh, okay, replied James. Maybe you are strong after all. Thanks, Thomas. Thomas connected up to James's trucks. They were heavy, but Thomas just about managed it. However, he travelled all the way back to Gordon. Gordon, I have 2 more trucks here for you. I don't think you're strong enough to pull these as well. Let's see. Thomas attached the trucks. Gordon was starting to get worried. He began to think this may be too heavy for him. Oh, this is still easy, Thomas, he lied. You must remember I'm much stronger than you. Now, Gordon had his 4 skeletons, Thomas's skull, and James's supplies. Thomas was once again annoyed, so left to find more trucks. He soon caught up with Henry, who was on his way to the new dinosaur museum. Hi Henry, Sir Topham Hatt has asked me to take your trucks because I'm much stronger than you think. Oh great, stated Henry. I guess you are stronger than I thought. So Thomas connected up to them. They were very, very heavy, but Thomas just about managed to move off. However, he went all the way back to Gordon. Here you go, Gordon. Let's see if you can take these trucks too. Now Gordon had his 4 skeletons, Thomas's skull, James's supplies and Henry's steel. I can still pull this, Gordon lied. Thomas was very annoyed. He was running out of ideas. Oh, exclaimed Thomas. How about you pull me too? And Thomas connected up to Gordon's trucks. Right, sighed Gordon. Here goes. Gordon heaved and heaved and heaved. Haha, see Gordon? I told you you're not that strong. Gordon was so determined when suddenly Gordon broke down. Uh-oh.
Oh, the indignity!
So Topham Hatt arrived.
What is going on here? None of the trucks arrived at the new Sodor Dinosaur Museum. Why did you bring all of the trucks back, Thomas?
I'm sorry, sir. The other engines called me small and weak.
Thomas, it doesn't matter that you're small. Being small means you are much better at doing other jobs. Now go and kindly ask the other engines to help bring these trucks to the museum while we fix Gordon.
Thomas soon found the other engines. I'm sorry for taking your trucks today. I am smaller than you and can't pull the heavy trucks. Please may you help me take them to the Dinosaur Museum? And Spencer, could you please take Gordon's skeletons?
Certainly, Thomas.
And soon, the new Sodor Dinosaur Museum was open for business. Hey guys, Chris here. Thanks for watching my video. Hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like it and subscribe to Toy Trains for You if you haven't already. Hope to see you soon. Bye.